Hello students, another example for our lesson today is solving the inequality equations x divided by 7 plus 1 divided by 2 less than 9 divided by 14. So as you notice this one, my dear students, we are having a fractions. Okay, so we can solve these equations by means of clearing the fractions. Okay, so how do we clear the fractions? Okay, so first thing you do is to write the equation x over 7 plus 1 over 2 less than 9 over 14. Okay, so as you can see the fraction here, so we have the denominators 7, 2, and 14. So first thing you do is to clear the fractions. So how do we clear the fractions? We will get the LCM. Okay, so the LCM is lowest common multiple. So how do we get the LCM? Using the denominator 7, 2, and 14, we will get the LCM of these denominators. So how do we get the denominators of 7, 2, and 14? So lowest common multiple. So how do we get the LCM? So by means of this one. Okay, so let's go back later this one. Okay, so first thing we do is to get the LCM of 7, 2, and 14. Okay, so this is what we do. Okay, so this one become, let's change this one. Okay, so let's divide by this one by 2. So 2 and then 7 and then 1 and then 7, and then we will divide this one as a prime number. So we have this 7 and then 1, 1 and then 1. Now how do we get the LCM? We multiply all the numbers here. Okay, and then 2 times 7 is 14 times 1, 14 times 1 times 14 times 1 equals 14. So therefore the LCM is 14. Okay, so understand? Okay, so let's go back with our equation. So the LCM is 14. So how do we do with the LCM? So the LCM, we will multiply each expression. So how many expressions do we have? So we have 1, 2, and 3. So this is what we do. So we multiply each expression. So this is 14 times the expression x over 7 plus, then multiply by 14 times 1 over 2. So the inequality symbols will not be changed, they are the same. And then 9 over 14 times 14. Okay, so this is what we do now. Okay, so all expression must be multiplied by your LCM. So this is what we do. So 14 divided by 7, cancel that one, become 1, and then become 2. Same on the other side. 14 divided by 2 is 107. Then this one will become sorry, 1 become 7, and then this one 14 and 14, 1 and then 1. Okay, so now we are now ready to solve this one because we clear the bracket, or sorry, we clear the fractions. Okay, so let's continue. And then 2 times x becomes 2x, and then follow the symbol, plus 7 times 1 equals 7, and then the symbol will not be changed, and then 9 times 1 is 9. Okay, so now we are now ready to solve our equations. So take note what we have learned before, how to add and minus. So how do we clear this plus 7 here, so that this plus 7 we transfer to the other side? we will use the subtraction property. So 2x, write the 2x, then same symbol, and then 9, and then this positive 7 to the other side becomes negative 7. Okay, and then 2x, right, 2x below on it, and then the symbol will not be changed, they're the same, and then 9 minus 7 equals 2. And then as you notice one here, we have 2x. The coefficient of x is 2. So what should we do with the 2? We divide so that we can cancel 2. And then x less than 2 divided by 2. So x will be 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay? So that's the final answer. So x is less than 1. So how do we graph with this one? So we write a number line, or we draw a number line. Between it we have 0, and then we will divide this one by 2. Okay, so this one will be 1, this one will be 2, this one will become negative 1, this one will become negative 2. So this is what we do now. So how do we graph x less than 1? So what are the numbers that are less than 1? So we have 0, negative 1, negative 2. So, and we remember that this is less than. We have the graph clear dot, and then we are going to the left because x is less than, oh sorry, we have here, not here, okay, that one. Okay, so this one is not, so we are in the positive one, clear, going to the left side.